Hello, good morning. And let's see here. May 15th. It's Thursday, May 15th. Yesterday was trip 44, day 1. But we didn't quite get all the deliveries off. We're at the last one. We came here, got here last night, and pretty much we parked here all night. So we got up, had our coffee, got ourselves around. I think at 7 o'clock, it's 6:26. At 7 o'clock they're open. And we're going to go in, check in, and get these last few skids off and go pick up our next load. And that one will be trip 45. We'll be going up to New York, Rochester, and Buffalo. And then they're going to try to find me a load for the weekend. A long load, you know, distant miles. So anyway, we'll keep you guys up. And as the day goes, this is, like I said, trip 44, day 2, continuation from yesterday. So I'll keep you guys up as we go. Thank you and have a good day. Well, we just picked up trip number 44. I do believe it's 44. We're over here in New Jersey. We are headed to Rochester. Good old Rochester, New York. You know, it was only 20 miles from here to from my delivery to here. But it was like all traffic lights. Took forever to get here. Howdy, everybody. I am in Rochester, New York. And I'm here to tell you it's raining. And I had already gotten out at the first place. I'm at the second delivery, and I'm soaked. I would change my clothes, but what? As soon as they get here, I gotta jump back out in the rain again. I'm just gonna get soaked again. I'm just gonna save all my clothes, wait till I'm done with this, and then I'll put stuff to dry on. Because my next drop is not Syracuse, but Buffalo. So I got a little time to stay kind of dry. And maybe it's not even raining in Buffalo. Hopefully. But anyway, we are at our stop number 2. I tell you what, this I'm working more now than I did, I have to admit, than I did when I worked out of that agency up in Michigan. Only because, well, the other place I never had multi-stops, you know. Pick up a load, go deliver it, had a day or two in between. This one, the first load I picked up, 3 drops, Jersey. This one I picked up, 3 drops, New York. I'm beginning to wonder if I could make more money working local, driving a day cab, going to place to place to place, than I would if I would. I'm over the road. I'm getting paid by the mile. So we're gonna go by what the paychecks are gonna look like. And I hate to do it, but if my paychecks doesn't stay about where it should, you know, because I ain't making no money, I don't think. Now my boss is, I guess. I mean, but I'm not going to make any money if I got to sit and wait for these deliveries and bounce to place to place to place. But I could be wrong. I've been OTR over the road for so long, and the only reason why I never got into expedite or local or regional, because I don't like it. You just have to see. I haven't gotten my first paycheck doing this yet, so Anyway, let's hope it quits raining today. I like to see the sun come out, dry things off, you know. I'll keep you guys up, see what happens. We are in Buffalo. Buffalo, I say. Boy, that thing. See the light? Nope. There ain't no light. But we are in the dock in Buffalo. And I don't know. She said, we might have you a load here in Buffalo. I hope she does. I'm ready. We'll just have to see, right? Well, we just picked up another load. Trip 44 was Jersey. Trip 45 was going to, you know what? I think I'm going to do this a little differently, guys. Them trip numbers were okay.
Take the second exit.
Them trip numbers were okay when I was longer distances, but I'm no longer longer distances. So I think I'm just going to tell you guys from now on what I'm doing. But I picked up a load here in Avon, New York that is going to Philadelphia for Monday morning. And it is Friday. Friday something. Friday, May 16th. So this is going to be a short run. It's only 336 miles from here to Philly. But we're going to go to a truck stop. We're done for today. I got a headache.
Take the second exit.
I got a headache. We got us a roundabout. I'm not real crazy about these roundabouts. But we're going to go up here to a truck stop. We're going to shut her down for tonight. But I went from, let's see, I went from York, not York. I'm so used to picking up York. I went from just outside of Lancaster, Pennsylvania. See that bus? Think he's blocking up a little bit of traffic? Really? I bet he's inside getting something. No, he ain't. He's moving now. But I went from just outside of Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I had 3 stops in Jersey. Then picked up in Jersey, went to Buffalo, Rochester. 2 drops, went to Buffalo with the last drop. Then I picked up in Avon just now, going to Philadelphia for Monday. See, I really think if I do trips, I don't know, what trip was I on? I was 43, then 44 would have been to Lancaster, to Jersey. 45 would have been Jersey to New York, Rochester and Buffalo. And then trip 46 would be this one. But they're going to get way, way up there real quick now.
Turn right on Lackville Road, RT15.
So I think I'm going to find a new way. I think I'm going to get away with this is trip such and such. Just tell you guys what trip I'm on. You know, from where to where. Might be a little more better anyway. Might be better anyway. But we're leaving Avon. Like, here comes the Avon lady. Oh. And if you guys want to know where that's at, I'm just south of Rochester. 3 390 is just up here ahead. Just a little bit.
Speed limit reduced ahead.
Oh boy. Anyway, I'm making videos this week, but I'm gonna be a little behind on my videos on purpose. I mean, I wasn't gonna do it that way. As you guys know, I was actually, whatever I did today, tomorrow, it was uploaded for tomorrow. But the only problem with that is, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but it takes about 45 minutes to up to 2 hours to put a video together.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Blackville Road, RT15, and then approaching destination on the left side in 150 feet. Speed warning.
To put a video together and to get it right to where there's no mistakes, it takes about a couple hours to do it, you know. And there has been mistakes on mine because I came to rush into it. Because, I mean, you have a 10-hour break, you go take a shower, you upload your video, you eat, and you do
Turn
all
right
that.
on Blackville Road, RT15, and then approaching destination on the left side in 150 feet.
You know what? I don't think she knows what she's talking about. Unless she's saying that's it. That's not a truck stop. We're just gonna go, there's a TA down here. We're just gonna go to the TA. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go to the TA tonight. What was I talking about? I was saying something. Oh, I was rushing into my videos and I was getting some editing wrong. And
In 1/4 mile, take the entrance to the right on I-390 South, Corning.
I'm gonna tell her be quiet here in a minute. So this way I can take my time, I can do it, I can get it right.
Take the entrance to the right on I-390 South, Corning.
And I can get it done right and don't have to rush, you know what I mean? Alright, well, I'll see you guys when I get to the TA truck stop.